Take us through this deal. It's a joint venture with SF Express. First of all, tell us about SF Express. What is it?
Yeah, SF Express is the leading China express delivery company, and they've just done an amazing thing over the last few years. They've built up an incredible network, and they're absolutely the type of company that we like to partner and network with.
Now, you've been in China since 1988. Why did you feel the need to joint venture with a Chinese company to expand your presence there?
Well, you know, we're always looking for what's best for our customers, and we have significant presence in China, and we're really proud of our operations. But if you take the mutual strengths of the two companies, it just increases the value in the eyes of our customers. So SF Holdings has an incredible presence as far as 13,000 access channels to small and mid-sized Chinese companies. You combine that with our incredible express network where we deliver 19 million packages a day through 220 countries and territories, and 1 + 1 equals a lot more than 2 in this case.
Yeah, I actually read in China Daily about this deal that said that SF Express delivered 31 billion packages last year. Now, that's not UPS scale, but it's pretty darn big, I think it's fair to say. What initially will you be putting into this joint venture, and what will they be putting in the joint venture?
Well, you know, this is going to be an equal joint venture, and we'll both put somewhere around $5 million into the joint venture. And that's phase one, and we'll see where we go from there. But you know, the China market is so important to us. It's the world's largest e-commerce market, and it's just an incredible opportunity to provide customers even more benefit.
So initially, according to the reports, this will be focusing on transportation of packages from China to the United States. What is phase two? What is phase three? How big could this become for you?
Well, we look at this as just the very beginning, and this could be very big to us, but more importantly to our customers. But first is from China to the U.S. We're equally as impressed and looking forward to U.S. to China, and then, of course, China to the rest of the world and back. So there's all kinds of potential here. This is a very big first step. We're real excited about it, but there's more to come, that's for sure.
As you conceptualize this joint venture, will it be focused principally on business-to-business transportation, business-to-consumer, or a mix of the two?
You know, David, it's going to be a mix of the two, and where we really believe we add additional benefit is to our small and mid-sized customers in China that really have not had access to our network in the way that they will now. So, but it's B2B and B2C, that's for sure.
Now, in reading about SF Express, it strikes me, and you talk about small to medium-sized customers, that they have really been intertwined with Alibaba. A lot of their success, a remarkable growth pattern, has been because of Alibaba, which focuses on small and medium organizations. So, to what extent is this really a way to start doing more business with Alibaba for UPS?
Well, it's of course, anytime you look at doing business in China, Alibaba is a force to be reckoned with, and they just have significant presence. And we already have a good relationship with them, and we will continue. In fact, next month, Alibaba is having their first U.S. conference with small and mid-sized customers, and I will be one of the presenters at that conference. So we feel very good about that relationship.